Hello everyone, I am Shamima of class 10 from Fatima Central Senior Secondary School, Saidapet, Chennai. I have done a project on life science in junior level category. My project is about studying the protein and nutritional level in plants, especially in microgreens. My aim is to study the protein and nutritional level in microgreen plants. Now my question is, which microgreen plant has the highest protein and nutritional level in it? So for this project, I have taken the sample of 7 microgreen plants. They are cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, watercress, arugula, pea plant and the radish. Now, what are microgreens? Microgreens are generally the vegetable greens that are harvested just after the cotyledon leaves are developed. So, these microgreens contains high nutritional supplements in it, and also these microgreens are added to the food items to give extra sweetness and spices to the food. Now, I have chosen this topic is because nowadays people are gradually entering into the world of nature. So, people are preferring to have a healthy and a happy life by having all the natural kind of foods. So, I thought the people who are maintaining diet would be benefited by adding these kind of microgreens into their diet. So, my hypothesis is that pea plants grow well and it has high protein and nutritional level in it than the other 6 microgreen plants that I have mentioned now. So these are the observations that I got when the project was done. So I have tabulated here. I have taken 1 cup of all the 7 microgreen plants, and the pea plant I have taken 1 cup, that is about 145 grams. It contains 8 grams of protein levels in it, which is very high than the other 6 microgreen plants that I have taken, because all the other 6 plants just contains below 3 grams of protein level. So hence the pea plant has the high protein levels in it. I have made a graph on my project here. So these are the 2 pics that I have taken when my project was, when I was growing the microgreens plants in my own house. So these are the materials required to grow the microgreen plants in our houses. So we have to take 7 separate containers, rectangular containers, and we need to cover all those containers in with aluminium foil, and also we have to spread the tissue papers inside those containers, and we have to put the seeds of all the 7 microgreen plants into the containers, and we have to pour the water every day. Now at the end of the 7th day, we will be able to see that the microgreens plants are grown and they are completely ready to get harvested. Now I have tested the protein level of all these microgreen plants by using Bradford's reagent method. So now we have to warm up the spectrophotometer, which is an instrument, before use. Now we have to dilute unknowns if necessary to obtain between 5 micrograms to 100 micrograms proteins, and in at least 1 assay tube containing 100 microliters of sample. Now we have to prepare the standards containing a range of 5 to 100 micrograms of protein. It is recommended to use albumin or gamma globulin in this procedure in 100 microliter of volume. Now we have to add 5 milliliter dye reagent and incubate it for 5 minutes. Now we have to measure the absorbance at 595 nanometer. After all these procedures are done, I concluded that pea plant has the highest protein and nutritional level in it than any other microgreen plants that I have mentioned, and also it really helps in reducing our weight. So I recommend the people who are maintaining their diet to use these microgreen plants, or especially the pea plants, into their diet, which will definitely help them to reduce their weight. Thank you. My heartfelt thanks to the principal, the management, the vice principal, and all the guide teachers who helped me a lot in doing this project. Thank you.